This is how you edit Bluebook citations of periodical sources. This document is an early draft of an article that was published in the UC Davis Law Review. The first 3 footnotes each include a citation to a law review article, which is a type of periodical source. The first citation is correct, except it is missing the middle initials of the author names. Since the author's full names, as they appear in the publication, include the middle initials, these should be added to the citation. Note that this article cited in footnote 1 is cited again in footnote 211. Since the same article was previously cited, footnote 211 should include a short citation instead of a full citation to the article. For a periodical source, Bluebook Rule 4.2 states that Supra form should be used, unless id short form is appropriate. Thus, we should keep the author's last names, add a cross-reference back to footnote 1, and remove all of the other information from the citation. The second citation has a few errors. First, the comma after the author name should not be italicized. Second, the title in the original publication uses double quotation marks instead of single quotation marks, so these should be replaced with double marks. The comma placement at the end of the title is correct because Bluebook Rule 5.1b4 states that commas should always be placed inside quotation marks. Since this comma is not part of the original title but used to indicate the end of the title, this comma is not italicized. But the closing quotation mark is part of the original title, so it is correctly italicized. Third, this article is published in volume number 1986 of the Duke Law Journal. The issue number of the article was 4, but issue numbers should not be included in citations of law review articles, so this 4 should be replaced with 1986. According to their website, Duke Law Journal used the publication year as the volume number until 1991, and then switched to different volume numbers. Based on Bluebook Rule 16.4, the parenthetical reference to the publication year should be omitted when the periodical volume number is the same as the year. Fourth, Bluebook Rule 6.1a states that adjacent single capitals should be closed up, so the space between L and J in the Duke Law Journal abbreviation should be removed. The third citation also has a few typos. The volume number should be 105 instead of 15. Similar to the previous citation, the space between L and J should be removed to close up the adjacent single capitals. Lastly, Table T13 indicates that Georgetown should be abbreviated GEO, followed by a period, so this citation is missing the period.